So I'm a health economist by training. So that's using the study of economics to apply to healthcare decision making, working a lot with economic models, extrapolating value over time, looking at treatments patients receive and quantifying that in terms of their quality of life, their preferences, and other elements of patient outcomes that can be incorporated into that. So I would split the value into three categories. So opportunity being the first one. There is great opportunity with Harmony, great opportunity to conduct research in multiple areas across multiple different projects, and using the ticket into Harmony, which is the contribution of data, to be able to use the opportunity which it allows, which is the study of multiple data sources, multiple disease areas. The second area of value is collaboration. So I personally have met some great people through Harmony, people in academia, treating physicians, other industry partners, the Harmony team themselves, and there's some great opportunity for collaboration and some real thought leaders there. And the third area of value, I would say, is connections. So one in particular I'm thinking of is a senior statistician from the University of Salamanca who is absolutely fantastic and is super helpful on all Harmony projects. And connections like that are great to have, and they really help complete the skill set that you need to conduct a study in big data, and certainly fill in for the gaps on the skills that I don't have. So a recent study that I've been working on in acute lymphoblastic leukemia, looking at the outcomes of patients after stem cell transplant in the relapse refractory setting, would not have been possible without the Harmony database. So it is a notoriously difficult sample to study because of the small patient numbers, and a review that I've conducted has shown that the data that is available, at least from medium-sized cohorts, is really old and outdated. Harmony has presented us with a great opportunity to look at several hundred patients worth of data, big data, even for that field. So I would really say that that is an opportunity through Harmony that just wouldn't have been possible without. The predictability of outcomes for patients is of particular interest to me. So being able to inform treating physicians and patients themselves with an idea of what is the probability of outcome X or outcome Y, and being able to be certain about those probabilities and those chances of achieving a response, achieving a certain survival time, being able to extract those data through Harmony and provide greater certainty to patients with predictability is a really important thing in my view. So the future of Harmony, in my view, is very promising. So personally, I have many different research ideas, many thoughts around different other projects I'd like to begin in different disease areas, ALL, MM, AML as well. And so personally, I see a long continued future working relationship with the Harmony Alliance still. And for anyone else joining the Alliance, I think the opportunity to study multiple disease areas all at once with multiple researchers from your university, from your organization, it's a fantastic door opening opportunity and something you can really do all under one roof that you just can't do elsewhere. Having been through a study with Harmony now and having reached the point where we have published those data, I can speak to the experience being a good one and quite an autonomous one. Once you have access to the Harmony platform as a researcher, you can go in, code, look at the data, and then collaborate with those data sources that have provided the primary data in order to look at project outcomes and publish those data and disseminate those data. The autonomy that Harmony gives, there is no overarching protocol that says you must do it this way or you must do it that way, and the ability to collaborate with different Harmony Alliance members midway through the project sometimes that are people that are also running different projects but similar projects alongside yours is really fantastic. So I felt real ownership of the research that we were doing, and that was really good for taking it in the direction that we wanted to go.